Hello, in this video I will show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the keyless entry system on your BMW E90 E91. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we'll show you the location of the fuses for the keyless entry system. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'm going to show you how to test the fuses. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a test light and a multimeter. First I'll show you with a test light. So in order to test the fuses with a test light, we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm going to be using. You need to put the other end of the cable onto battery negative or chassis ground. In my case I'm going to put it on battery negative. So these are the fuses that I'm going to be testing. On each side of the fuse there is a pin that we need to touch with the test light, and if they should both light up. If one of them lights up, the other one doesn't light up, that means fuse is blown. If they both light up, that means the fuse is good. Next we're going to test fuses with a multimeter, if they are good or bad. This is what the fuse looks like, and this is the contact in the middle that connects to the two pins. If the contact is connected, that means the fuse is good. If it's burnt, that means there is an open circuit on the fuse and fuse is blown. So in order to check the fuses, we need to measure the resistance. So turn the multimeter on to 20k ohms and we'll start measuring. When measuring the resistance of the fuses, the resistance has to be very close to zero. First we'll check the resistance of the two cables. It has to be zero as well. And now we'll start testing the fuses. If it shows something close to zero, fuse is good. If it doesn't show anything, that means fuse is blown off. If it shows a lot of resistance, also fuse is not good. The first one showed 0, the second one also shows 0 ohms, the third one shows 0 ohms, and the fourth one shows open circuit. It doesn't show any ohms, nothing is changing. That means this fuse is blown. Now we see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that the contact in the middle is not connected to the two pins, so that's why it doesn't show any resistance, because it's an open circuit. Next I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on this BMW E90 E91. There is one in the engine bay and one in the fascia. First I'll show you the location of the fuse box in the engine bay. It's right underneath this cover, this white cover, and in order to remove it you have to unlock this clip, and there is another clip on the other side, and you pull it up. The other main fuse box is located in the fascia, and it's located behind the glove box. So in order to get access to it, we need to open the glove box. When we open the glove box, there is a panel on the back that we need to remove. Those two screws we need to turn anti-clockwise and then pull down this plastic panel, and we'll see the fuse box behind it. The fuse box is right there. Next I'll show you in the service manual all the fuse boxes on this BMW E90 E91. We can see there is one in the engine bay like I showed, one in the fascia, and then there is one in the load area, very small fuse box. And these are all the fuses for those fuse boxes. Next, I'll show you the location of the fuses. In the search tab, we're going to type keyless entry system, and to show us all the fuses for it. We can see there is only one fuse for it, and it's located in the fascia fuse box. And the fuse there is F61 5 amp fuse. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.